Artificial intelligence is changing the gaming industry. Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's reshaping the gaming world. How artificial intelligence is changing the gaming industry. From creating more immersive experiences to enhancing gameplay mechanics, AI is revolutionizing how we play and develop games. Stay tuned to learn more. Part 1. AI in game development. Procedural content generation. One of the most fascinating applications of AI in gaming is procedural content generation. AI algorithms can create vast and diverse game environments, characters, and storylines on the fly. This means that no two playthroughs are ever the same, offering players unique experiences each time they play. Games like No Man's Sky and Minecraft use AI to generate endless worlds for players to explore. Intelligent NPCs. Non-playable characters, NPCs, powered by AI are becoming smarter and more realistic. Advanced AI systems allow NPCs to learn from player behavior, adapt to different situations, and make decisions that enhance the overall gameplay experience. This leads to more dynamic and challenging interactions, making games more engaging and lifelike. Part 2. AI in enhancing player experience. Adaptive difficulty. AI is used to create adaptive difficulty systems that tailor the game's challenge to the player's skill level. By analyzing player performance, AI can adjust the difficulty in real time, ensuring that the game remains engaging and fun without becoming too easy or frustrating. This personalized approach keeps players hooked and enhances their overall gaming experience. Realistic graphics and physics. AI is also transforming the visual and physical aspects of games. Machine learning techniques are used to create more realistic graphics, from lifelike character animations to detailed environments. AI-driven physics engines simulate real-world phenomena, such as fluid dynamics and object interactions, making the game world more believable and immersive. Part 3. AI in game design and testing. Game testing and quality assurance. Game development involves extensive testing to identify and fix bugs. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing game testing by automating the process and identifying issues more efficiently. Machine learning algorithms can simulate countless gameplay scenarios, detect anomalies, and predict potential problems, significantly speeding up the testing phase and improving game quality. Player behavior analysis. AI can analyze vast amounts of data on player behavior, preferences, and patterns. This information helps game developers understand what players enjoy and what frustrates them. By leveraging these insights, developers can design games that are more engaging and tailored to their audience's preferences, leading to higher player satisfaction and retention. Part 4. AI in multiplayer and online games. Matchmaking systems. In multiplayer games, AI is used to create sophisticated matchmaking systems that pair players of similar skill levels, ensuring fair and competitive matches.